This is the next project for Cherwin Motors, 1968 Ford Bronco. Okay, so what we've got is an original, not a manufactured or a put together, but an original 68 Bronco. We were going a different direction on it. It has a 302. We've added electronic fuel injection. We've added Willwood disc brakes, power steering system, air conditioner, put it on a serpentine belt, redid the transmission to a AOD, Ford AOD, so an automatic overdrive. We've got custom bumpers. We started with a bumper and then had them fabricated and custom. We've actually got it cut in if you go down low for lights, a light bar, front and rear. You know, we've done a lot of work to the car. We're happy with it, but it's just not what I want. What we're gonna do is turn this into a daily driver. So we've been in talks with Kincer, and we're looking at ordering in a rolling chassis, complete freeway style with a COYOTE power plant. And yeah, let's turn this into a really nice daily driver with all the modern amenities.